Hi everyone, very good evening. I am here at VIP Luxury Lounge Dubai. This is a Carbon series, a McLaren P1 sitting in the race mode. I mean, the way this car looks when sitting on the race mode is absolutely stunning. This is the former car they have in the Ultimate series. As far as a McLaren Ultimate series is concerned, they only made 375 units of the P1, and we all know how impressive this car is. We all know the verdict of Jeremy Clarkson. This is a widow maker. So as a car behind GT2 RS, but today we will not gonna talk about either GT2 RS or a Carbon series, a McLaren P1, because I already have done the small walk around on the Carbon series P1. I just wanted to show you the car sitting in the race mode, but the context of the video is not this one, is the second member of the McLaren Ultimate series, which is the McLaren P15 P15. This is called the McLaren Senna, a purposeful name, a heavy name to be given to a car. Looks like this is a track monster from a McLaren. Certainly a gorgeous name, a certainly accurate name to be given to the car like this, commemorating the 10th Senna, the partnership he had with the McLaren. This is not a usual McLaren logo you would see on all the McLaren cars. This is a purposeful built car. It's all about aerodynamics, it's all about numbers, it's all about going fast, it's all about lightweight. And this car is using 4-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, and I do not know how a McLaren have done it and how they have to manage to road legalized car that looks like this, a road legal. I mean, just see the ferocity of the girth of the rear wing. I mean, we have seen the wing from the GT2 RS and GT3 RS, but this wing is on another level. It has layer on layer. This is a double layer wing which provides downforce you will unlike see in any other car. So I was talking to you about the engine of the car, which happens to be 4-liter twin turbocharged V8 engine producing 800 horsepower, 800 newton meters of torque. And due to the bodywork like this, air channels across the body like this car can generate 800 kilograms of downforce, and it weighs just under 1200 kilograms dry. It is 1198 kilograms to be really precise. Sorry for the distraction. This is a active showroom, and we were having that little guy as our guest. So coming back to the P1, these guys have 3 exited exhaust for the GCC market and for the European market as well. But apparently in the US market, if you spec and buy a Senna, you won't get 3 exited exhaust. This apparently is of the muffler which tame the sound of the car up down. So if you spec and bought a car from USA, it would be a lot more louder up than it is in GCC or in UK market. I mean, see the orange accents throughout the side of the car. This is the massive air intake they have on the side. This is an air scoop which feeds the air direct into the 4.0 liter twin turbocharged V8 engine with carbon headers. Now let's just do one thing, and giving all the thanks to VIP Luxury Lounge, they have provided me the key of the Senna. Let's just unlock it and see what it is like from the inside. I mean, the doors for the reference weighs nothing. This is the entire complete dashboard of the car, black Alcantara with the carbon fiber, a brushed carbon fiber, door strut in orange color so as the accent color. This is a McLaren Senna black on the carbon monocoque 3, which has been introduced with the P15 only. These are the Senna seats. These seats now you will find in the 600 LT as well as an option, but this is probably the lightest seat you have, and they have these pads stuck over the carbon fiber hollow cage. This is hollow carbon fiber. That's the reason of this seats is approximately 3.5 kgs. And there goes the screen. This is a race inspired instrumentation cluster which you will find in a 720 as well. There's the other door, looks quite nice, and they have kindly allowed me to sit inside, and it would be a challenge. I need to do it gracefully. Seat is all the way backed, and I need to figure out how to enter this Senna. So yeah, easy, do it gently. I have managed to sit inside, and I would like to tell you that this is the first. Let's figure out how to close it. Yeah, there's the button. It comes with the soft touch door mechanism. I am sitting in a freaking race car, all thanks to VIP Luxury Lounge. Thank you so much for that. Instrumentation cluster, a big screen you have as a multimedia. This is the instrumentation cluster, by the way. I mean, air is all over the place. Apparently this is the only section of the windshield, the glass, which can be pulled down in, or if you are buying a McDonald's, please do recheck it again if the hamburger will gonna fit in or not. I mean, what more could you ask for? Seat can be pulled towards the steering wheel. Let me see. Yeah, it's adjustable. It is coming up. Carbon fiber shift pedals. Why don't we just start the ignition of the car, which can be turned from here. Starter button is right here. Key is in my pocket. Wow, the McLaren Senna on both the screens. I mean, this is, my god, I'm lost for words. Is coming up back and forth with the seat. Massive carbon fiber transmission tunnel. AC vents. I mean, these are the buttons to open the doors of the car. There you can see a upper side air view. This is the side window, and if you're wearing the shorts, please do reconsider wearing something nice. This is a camera for the telemetric system they have, and wow, what McLaren has done here is simply astonishing. Active button. This will apparently works when you start the car. I'm so sorry for that. And what do we have here? Light controls, and what this is a parking brake. Wow, everything is amazing. Turbine like AC vents, a powered inside rear view mirror. This is to lower down the window. There you can see it has come up, come down. Oh, it was open for the whole time. Wow. Down, up. And what will I do in here? I mean, it's all beautiful, and we have a McLaren this a manual as well, but I do not have a time to read, so let me just turn off the car and open the door, push it through my elbow and trying to get out gracefully. It has the powers and Wilkin music system as well. 960 kilometers, a fairly new 2019 model year, I guess this Senna is, and getting out is a pain. It's me, how you are living with this car, man. Very light carbon door. Yeah, you can see it tucked away quite easily. This is the front of the car, a complete hollowed out up section to channel out the air. This is the active aero flap, and since the car is quite low, it is really very easy for you to scrape out the front of the car, and you do not have to spec the fortune because this complete part is removable and changeable. So if you scratch your car from the bottom, you do not need to replace the entire front end of the car. Quite cleverly done by McLaren. Laser headlights, DRLs, orange active arrows to channel out the air. Air can be feed out from this gigantic nostril. Single sided car windshield washer, as you see, layer on layer on layer. This car is unbelievable and a genuine masterpiece. All thanks to McLaren for making this car, and all thanks to VIP Luxury Lounge for having me to go in it. So thank you so much to them. Please share your feedbacks in the comment section down below. Like, subscribe and share this video and share the content I'm making with these kind of cars. So here I am signing out again in the VIP Luxury Lounge, Dubai. Hope to see you somewhere near with one more exotic cars, which is this and this. So yeah, see you guys, take care, have a nice day, cheers to life.